Guys, what's up? Welcome back to Six Cars. Kyle checking in here. We got a little collab episode going on here. Drive with Roy in the cut in the GT4. We are rolling to Sundayzz car meet, I believe. Yeah, so it should be good. Our buddy Zach Shapiro is hosting it. It's gonna be a blast, guys. I think there's a lot of cars coming. It's a bit outside of the city too, so I think the setting will be pretty nice, and there'll be lots of supercars. I'm very curious to see what's going to turn up, because I've never done this show before, so I'm excited to take you guys there, see something a bit different too. So without further ado, we're going to hit the road, check out this car meet. We'll probably have Yorkville after, see what's driving around. It is a nice day here on Sunday, so make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave those comments as well, what your favorite cars are, all that jazz. Let's get at it. Well, so it begins, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at the Greek Market Cafe outside of Toronto. It's a nice setting too, like it has a bit of a countryside vibe to it. But it's basically just started, like 9 in the morning, and it's already quite busy. Man, oh man, I see a couple of STOs over there, really clean looking E30. But I think this should be a good event, guys, as we are getting towards the end of the season. So this is when you see a lot of stuff starting to come out. It's like the last hurrah before everybody has to go away for the winter here in Toronto. So we should see some pretty interesting stuff these next couple of weeks here in the city. But yeah, a couple nice STOs here. I don't think I've actually seen one in this like matte sort of like gray with orange accents before. That's an interesting spec. I do like the red as well. But check this out. We have an M-Spec R34 GTR rolling in here. Now we're talking with some JDM. Nice clean LP700 Roadster pulling in. I think Verde Ithaca. Man, oh man, classic Aventador. So yeah, we saw the 700 Roadster pulling in. We also have an Aventador S back there by the looks of it. We have a couple of nice GT3 RSs here as well. This one does look to be a PTS color again. One of my friendly PTS nerds can help me out with the color name on this one. It does look nice. If I compare it to another manufacturer, it's kind of like the Phoebe Celeste on those OG Lamborghini Gallardos, that like very light blue. It's a really nice looking color. Another R8 rolling in, and some more supercars over here. Just a nice clean classic 458, like one of the best Ferraris of the modern era. Of course, the last like real NA V8 like flagship cars. So great sound, great looking car too. 430 Scuderia back there as well. I could see a new NSX. So we have here California, Cayman, 430 Spider. And looks like there is a Testarossa pulling in over here as well. Yes, it is. All right, so I'm sure you guys already saw it in the background. We saw some of the cars rolling in just now, but this is probably the main star attraction of the show at the moment, is this McLaren Senna, which does have some MSO bits to it. The painted headlight casings finished in body color white is fairly unique. You don't see that on too many Senna, so that's really nice. It also has the roof snorkel, a good MSO option, which I think for any McLaren is an absolute necessity. It looks so cool, and it has a nice little white trim around it as well. And you have the Ayrton Senna signature on the wing end plates too. But man, this car looks so good, finished in white against the black wheels, black brake calipers too. All of the carbon fiber accents on the hood and the mirrors too. A great looking spec, very like low key I would say, but I think it does look quite nice. Nice 720S rolling in. Don't really see too many of those in yellow, so that's pretty interesting. Yeah, nice little find there. Let's see what else we have. Look at this. We got the dumped Chevrolet pickup truck here. That's actually kind of cool. Like I guess you call it like the rat rod or the rust bucket, but absolutely slammed to the ground, as I mentioned, on those deep dish wheels. That's quite interesting. Got a nice Supra here, Mark IV, and it is right-hand drive import. So curious to know what this owner might have done to this car. As you guys know, Supras are pretty well known for pumping a ton of power out of their two JZ motors, but this is a really nice build too. I like these sort of like TRD style wing at the back. That looks quite nice. We also have our friend here at the 206 Rally Tribute. We did the whole video on this car. I encourage you to go watch that vlog if you haven't seen it already, because this is just a fantastic fantastic build and a great owner too. But yeah, you guys can see obviously he's done pretty much everything. It is very true to the original WRC car with the rally headlights, the whole shebang, the wing at the back too, and the roof intake. It has it all, ladies and gentlemen. But we've got some muscle back here as well. Look at that, I've got a nice blue Demon. That is just so cool. The massive hood intake, obviously very much distinguishable from the standard as you can get Hellcats, but that's really nice to see a Demon there, and lots of Z06s as well. We'll wait for some more cars to arrive at the event. This OG DuPont Registry visor, the 360 Spider, let's go. That is loud too, and it's a gated, nice. There's a nice surprise, the brand new 12 Cylindri. This is the last thing I was expecting to see here. I don't even know if we've seen one of these on the road here in Toronto yet. So that one caught me by surprise. That turned around pretty quickly. We've got even more stuff rolling in behind the 12 Cylindri. I don't even know how they're going to have room for all these cars. It's way more packed than I thought it was going to be, but that's a really nice FF. Got Zach's 4GT over here as well. Big shout out to him for the invite to this event, and that is just such a good car, guys. I mean, this has been in the city for a long time. Pretty iconic here. Awesome to see an OG like 05 4GT. It's parked up beside a nice red Cobra too. And as you guys can see, as I mentioned, more cars rolling in with some AMG GTs. Got the GTR back there, the nice 991 GT3 over there as well. Let's see what else we got, guys. It's still really early days at this meet, so I imagine that even more cars will be showing up very soon.
You get everything, right? Let them refuge and then put it in the big enough.
Got a nice Viper TA rolling in blue, and oh man, look at this GTX, some Mopar action there, ladies and gentlemen. That is beautiful. It's the Gen 2 TA, so that one does have the big wing on it, obviously on the back. Not as big as the ACR wing, but that is such a nice looking car. And a Rocket Bunny Corvette. Say it ain't so. That is a pretty wild looking kit. Got the full wraparound wing at the back too, and sounds like he's trying to air out there. That's pretty wild. And a C6 ZR1 for good measure too. Here you go on the 4Gs. Here we go. RWB's rolling in now. Not too bad. That's the yellow one that we did see being built at Porsche Markham back in the day. And there is a Dame. So a nice little duo there. And right behind the RWBs, we have our second 430 Scuderia of the day. Another 430 here. This one definitely has like a challenge kind of vibe to it. It was loud pulling in. Nice wheels, the yellow film over the lights. And it sounds really good. Nice little first edition Amira here. But yeah, as I mentioned, guys, a great turnout here at this Sundayzz car meet. Massive shout out to the organizers. They put on a wonderful show here. I was not expecting this many supercars here, so this is a great way to spend a Sunday. And like I said, saw these two RWBs coming in looking absolutely beautiful. And this is the one, of course, we saw being built earlier this year, the convertible. And there we go, another Scuderia back there. Got Nigo's 348, got the Testarossa, got the RB swapped 240Z back there. Tons of great selection here at the Sundayzz car meet. But we'll head to our next stop and see what's gonna happen. Here we go, guys. A little Yorkville Spot 992 RS. It's not bad. It is a beautiful day out, so hopefully we'll actually see some more stuff down here. We go another 992 RS. There's no shortage of these today. That's a interesting color too. It looks like a Lamborghini gold almost. Not bad. We've got the GT Black Series pulling up too. I don't know the last time I've seen one of these. What a great looking car. Launch spec orange too. Like, that is so nice. We've got The old squad over there leaping it. Shouts out to those guys, man. You got to put the soup cans down, pull out the camera, get the pictures. I love it. Never let the passion stop. So parked up, our classic rooftop spots here. I mean, we saw the RS and the Black Series down there, but, oh, there we go. LP 640 Roadster. Don't see those around too often anymore. Still very nice. There you go. It's 992 RS day, guys. Another one. And there's the LP 640. Looking good. SF90. Not bad. There's cars out, people. Wow, this is like classic old school car spotting in Yorkville, guys. You got a Daytona Spider rolling by. Not expecting to see that. Wow. And it goes past the LP 640. There's the winner right there. Whoa! Oh my goodness gracious. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Pretty jam-packed day, I must say. Not what I was expecting, really. There was a lot of good stuff today. Yeah, a lot bigger than I was expecting. There was Ford GT, McLaren Senna, Ram Daytona Spider 2, tons of GT3 RSs. Roy, good day?
Not bad.
I would say pretty good. End of September. Can't really ask for much more. Huge shout out to the Sundayzz guys for throwing a great event. That was fantastic. And some good old classic Yorkville car spotting. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, let me know in the comments what was your favorite car of the day, because I would love to know. And stay tuned, guys. There'll be a lot of Porsches and a lot of Lamborghinis coming up in our near future in Toronto. So we'll see you next time on 6 Cars.